They lied to us about the Quran because this Quran was actually written by this man. And I was shocked at first, but then I did my research and what I found is going to amaze you. Brothers and sisters in Islam, let's begin the video. This is the Quran, and this book is the same for different people across the globe. It is a sacred book revealed to the Prophet, peace be upon him, by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And could you believe that the first revelation of the Quran was revealed in this cave called Cave Hira or Gharul Hira in Saudi Arabia? Well, that is true, and things happen after the revelation, which we will tackle in a very different video. So subscribe to the channels to stay updated and hit that like button so that more people can benefit from this video. Years after Prophet, peace be upon him, died, the companions agreed to compile the Quran in one mushaf so that it can be preserved for generations to come. And this was how it looked like. Brothers and sisters in Islam, pay attention to the writings, because how did we come from this to something like this? A lot of people say there are mistakes in the Quran due to the changes in the writings that we have. But what you need to remember is that writing of the Quran can be done by anybody. In fact, this Indian man wrote the full Quran and gave it to his sister.
के लिए हौसला अफजाई होते हैं, लेकिन जिनसे आज हम आपकी मुलाकात करवा रहे हैं, उनसे जब हम मिले तो एक सुकून सा मिला, शायद ही हमें इससे पहले कभी मिला था.
And this African guy also wrote the full Quran in 11 years, which means he took 11 years to copy the Quran from the original text and write it in his own handwriting for 11 good years, and he just completed doing that. All these people just copied the original text from the Quran, but in their own style of writing. So brothers and sisters in Islam, check your Quran. If it looks like mine, or if it looks like anything you can see on the screen, then know that it is probably written by this man. This is Sheikh Othman Taha, a renowned calligrapher who has written the current and most used Quran style in the world. Remember guys, he is not the author of the Quran. He is just a copywriter with a good handwriting, and he just copied what was initially here to something like this. And this has an impact on the reader, because if you are to be honest, people would have abandoned the Quran if it was something like this. So keep in mind, next time you are reading the Quran, know that you are reading a compiled letters of Sheikh Othman Taha, Hafidhullah. Yes, Hafidhullah, because he is not dead. In fact, just this Eid, which happened last week or so, Sheikh Sudais and Sheikh Mahir paid a visit to his house. Not only them, but other people also visited him. Even the former Imam of Masjid al-Haram and my beloved Imam, Sheikh Saud Shuraib, also visited him, and it was an amazing experience. So brothers and sisters in Islam, next time someone says to you the Quran was written by Sheikh Othman Taha, sit them down, play them this video so that they can benefit and learn from what we've said. And once you are done with that, like the video, share the video, and comment "I liked it" in the comment section down below. Before I end the video, I have to announce our winner from the question that we asked in the previous video. And so our winner for today is Momodui Injie. Forgive me if I pronounce the name wrongly. I'm a Ghanaian, you know, it is going to be hard for me. So yes, he's our winner from the question that we asked in the previous video. If you want to know the question, the link is going to be in the description, or you can just click on this card to go there directly. But for today's quiz, check the comment section down below and you are going to find it there. Thanks for watching, and see you